Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome again into the episode. So, in a previous video, we learned about how to place in walls and also how to do slanted walls. So, on this episode, we are going to learn how to place in what a wall foundation. A wall foundation. We used to call it strip footings. So, the strip footings are a foundation type in which support wall foundation. So what we are going to do is to come into our elevation, either the east or any of them, and we use a copy to do a foundation setup. So we are going to name this thing as top of foundation. Top of foundation. So we are going to use this level for our foundation. So what we have to do, as you know already, you have to come to the view area, come to plan views, structure plan, and top of foundation can be found here. So this is the top of foundation. So we are going to try and place certain walls here. Or first of all, we can choose to do some gray lines as well. Choose to do some gray lines. We can do copy similar, which is very fast. And we do some 4 meters intervals. And we can do same too for the horizontal gray line, which I'm going to name here A. And also do create similar very fast thick lines, 4 meters. So we have our grid lines. We are going to draw walls around all the grid lines like that. So let's change our exterior line into a wall center line. So we're having some walls here. We can also do a line without going to the modifier by using the shortcut AL to do this aligning. So you can see I do click the grid line first, then the middle of the wall. The grid line first, then the middle of the wall. The grid line first, the middle of the wall. So this is how to do aligning in Revit. So the grid line first, the middle of the wall. So all our walls have been centered into the grid line. So when you come into the 3D, you can see we are on the foundation level to level 1. So back into our foundation level, how do we place strip footing or wall base for these walls? When you come to foundation, we have wall here. So under the wall, when you select the wall, we have the properties of the wall here. You can choose to do duplicate, and also you can do 600 wide by 300 deep. You change your width to 600 and the thickness as 300 mm. So from there, you can see it has changed here. So you can use to select multiple by selecting everything here, then you do finish, then you get your strip like that. Also, let me do undo. I can choose to select it one by one. But mind, we are in a technology world, so we work very fast in order to provide more drawings for our clients. So this is how to draw your wall base as a strip footing or a wall base. So when I come to the foundation area, then I can provide some tags for my foundation wall base. So we'll be doing the tagging in the videos to come. So guys, if you have any question, just leave it at the comment section box. See you in the next video. Shalom, peace, bye.